In this video, we'll walk you through 4 reliable ways to perform Tecno backup and restore, including using professional software, built-in features, and cloud services. Part 1. How to do Tecno backup and restore by Coolmuster Android Backup Manager. This software enables users to back up all Tecno data to a computer with a single click and restore it whenever needed. Steps to back up Tecno data with Coolmuster Android Backup Manager. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster Android Backup Manager on your computer. Step 2. Connect your Tecno phone to the computer with a USB cable and enable USB debugging. Once detected, click Backup on the main interface. Step 3. Select the data types you want to back up, such as contacts, SMS, photos, videos, or apps. Then, choose a folder on your computer to save the backup and click Backup to start. Steps to restore Tecno data with Coolmuster Android Backup Manager. Step 1. Reopen Coolmuster Android Backup Manager and connect your Tecno phone. Step 2. Click Restore from the home screen. Step 3. Pick the backup file you want to use. Select specific file types or restore all data, then click Restore again to begin transferring. Note, if your backup file is stored in another folder and doesn't appear automatically, click Add Backup Folder to import it manually. Part 2. How to perform Tecno backup and restore through built-in backup. Tecno smartphones include a built-in backup and restore feature under System Settings. It's a simple, offline method to back up personal information, app data, and device settings directly to your phone or an SD card. No computer or internet required. To back up data with built-in backup. Step 1. Go to Settings, System Backup and Reset. Step 2. Tap Local Backup or Phone Backup. Step 3. Choose the types of data to back up, such as contacts, messages, call logs, system data, and apps. Step 4. Select the backup destination, internal storage or SD card. Step 5. Tap Start Backup and wait for the process to complete. To restore data from built-in backup. Step 1. Go to Settings, System Backup and Reset Restore Data. The system will list available backup files. Step 2. Select the file you wish to restore. Tap Restore and wait until your phone completes the process. Note: keep your SD card or internal memory space sufficient for backup files. For best results, don't turn off your phone during backup or restore. Part 3. How to conduct Tecno backup and restore with Tecno Cloud Backup. Tecno Cloud or Hios Cloud lets Tecno users safely sync and store data online. With a Tecno account, you can automatically back up contacts, photos, messages, and app settings, and restore them on any Tecno device, making it ideal for users who often switch phones or prefer cloud storage over using a PC. Backup with Tecno Cloud Backup. Step 1. Open Settings on your Tecno phone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Tecno Cloud or Hios Cloud, depending on your version. Step 3. Sign in with your Tecno account. If you don't have one, tap Create Account. Step 4. Choose Backup and enable the data types you want to upload: contacts, messages, photos, call logs, etc. Step 5. Tap Backup now to begin synchronization. Restore from Tecno Cloud Backup. Step 1. On your Tecno phone, open Tecno Cloud again. Step 2. Sign in using the same account you used for the backup. Step 3. Tap Restore and select a backup version. Step 4. Confirm your choice and wait until the data syncs back to your device. Part 4. How to achieve Tecno backup and restore using Google account. A Google account provides a universal and convenient backup solution for Android devices, including Tecno phones. To back up with Google account. Step 1. Open Settings on your Tecno phone. Step 2. Tap Google Backup. Step 3. Turn on Backup by Google One. Step 4. Select which data to include: app data, call history, contacts, SMS, and device settings. Step 5. Tap Backup now to upload your data to Google Drive. To restore from Google account. Step 1. When setting up a new Tecno device or after resetting your current one, sign in with the same Google account. Step 2. Choose Restore from Google Backup when prompted during setup. Step 3. Select your previous Tecno backup file. Wait until all the data, apps, and settings are restored automatically.